In today's video, I'm going to show you my homemade heater for my Bobcat and how well it works. It's an RV transmission cooler with a 10-inch fan. Lines are plumbed down to the coolant bypass. It's bolted to the roof, but it's spaced out by 2 nuts, so it's not directly on the roof. You can see the gap here. I can stick my fingers underneath the cooler. Then I've actually got 2 connectors here, so I can actually reverse the polarity of this. I can either set this to blow up towards the ceiling, which is how I've been using it, and it moves air out the sides, along the roof, and down all the windows, and keeps the windows completely clear. I am having no fogging issues of the windows. Perfect day to show that it's negative 23 degrees outside today. And I was just out pushing snow and cleaning up around here, and I had no hat on, no gloves on, and I was comfortable. It was almost too hot, to be honest. So how effective is it? Well, I'll show you. Now the ground temp out here this morning, there we got it. Negative 10.5 degrees. My seat is 75 degrees inside. My hand controls are 71 degrees. Now we've got it back inside and it's been shut off for a few minutes. The heater core temperature is still 131 degrees. Why did I choose to make my own heater instead of buying one? Even with buying new parts to build this, it was still cheaper than most aftermarket universal fit heaters on the market. Most of the universal fit heaters I found took up quite a bit of space. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. Maybe give you some ideas for some ways to put some heat into your cab. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Check out my other videos. Thank you. Have a good day.